Okay, I'm just going to show you how to play music through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 BMW X6. First thing you do is you go to music, check at the bottom there, make sure BMW is highlighted. If it's not, just click on the silver circle, sorry, the three silver circles and the triangle there. Make sure there's a tick next to there. If it wasn't, just touch it, tick it, go back. We'll click play. It's turned down at the moment. Now, we now go over to media, which is the top left button, click media. It's already on my phone. If it wasn't, if I knock it across like so, and again, you'll see there what I could be listening to. If I click it on auxiliary and then go back, again, I come over to the unit, I've clicked media, it's on auxiliary, I want it on phone, I click across again, and then onto Barry's iPhone, click that, select that. Now if I turn this up, the speakers are second to none. Brilliant.